The HOOBRO Mini Fridge Stand with storage basket offers a smart and stylish solution for maximizing space in your home or office. Featuring a rustic brown wood grain top paired with a sleek black iron frame. This versatile 19.7-inch end table blends effortlessly into any modern, industrial, or farmhouse decor. Designed primarily to support compact refrigerators, it lifts your appliance off the ground for easier access while providing durable stability. Its sturdy construction ensures it can handle the weight of small kitchen appliances, making it a reliable addition to your living room, bedroom, or dorm. Beyond serving as a solid base for appliances, the HOOBRO Mini Fridge Stand with storage basket excels in organization. It features an integrated mobile basket cart beneath the main shelf, allowing you to easily store and access snacks, beverages, or extra linens. The pull-out wire basket rolls smoothly, giving you quick access to your items without cluttering your surface space. This dual-purpose design transitions seamlessly from a heavy-duty appliance cabinet to a practical bedside nightstand or living room accent table, keeping your daily essentials organized and within arm's reach. Engineered for convenience and longevity, this mini fridge cabinet is built from high-quality particle board and robust steel. The smooth finish is easy to clean, while adjustable feet help keep the unit perfectly level on uneven floors, protecting your surfaces from scratches. Whether you want to set up a dedicated coffee station in your office or a compact refreshment center in your entertainment area, the HOOBRO Mini Fridge Stand with storage basket provides the perfect balance of industrial charm and practical storage. Its compact footprint makes it a valuable asset for small apartments and shared spaces looking to combine function with style. Pros: lifts fridge to comfortable height, reduces back and waist strain, accommodates various small appliances, stable and space-saving solution, solid and wobble-free support, equipped with adjustable feet, equipped with smooth rolling casters, upper shelf supports 200 pounds, mobile basket supports 50 pounds, ample and flexible storage space, keeps living space organized, simple and easy assembly, comes with necessary tools, includes clearly labeled parts, features durable construction, casters are smooth rolling and lockable, moves easily for simple cleaning, brings rustic and modern charm. Cons: requires assembly, uses particle board material, fabric drawer may wear, size limited to 19.7 inches, must avoid high temperatures, must keep away from moisture, risk of tipping if overloaded. Features: mini fridge stand with storage, 19.7-inch end table size, includes mobile basket cart, rustic brown and black finish, suitable for living rooms, suitable for bedrooms, model number BF655BX01. The HOOBRO Mini Fridge Stand with storage basket offers a smart and stylish solution for maximizing space in your home or office. Featuring a rustic brown wood grain top paired with a sleek black iron frame, this versatile 19.7-inch end table blends effortlessly into any modern, industrial, or farmhouse decor. Designed primarily to support compact refrigerators, it lifts your appliance off the ground for easier access while providing durable stability. Its sturdy construction ensures it can handle the weight of small kitchen appliances, making it a reliable addition to your living room, bedroom, or dorm. The HOOBRO Mini Fridge Stand with storage, model BF655BX01, offers an attractive, rustic modern design that effectively lifts small appliances to a comfortable height to reduce back strain, while providing stable, wobble-free support with an upper shelf capacity of 200 pounds and a 50-pound capacity mobile basket. It features ample and flexible storage, smooth rolling lockable casters for easy mobility during cleaning, adjustable feet, and a straightforward assembly process with included tools and clearly labeled parts. However, users should consider that it requires manual assembly, is constructed using particle board material, features a fabric drawer that may wear out over time, and is limited to a size of 19.7 inches. Additionally, care must be taken to avoid high temperatures and moisture, as well as a potential tipping risk if the unit is overloaded.